The way that I think about it, the way that AnswerRocket works with it, is to consider something like a generative model, sort of the miracle that we saw come about in 2022. It is this ability for something to understand your language and to provide some language back to you. That is generative AI. If you kind of draw the dotted line, that also applies now to images, right? You describe an image and you get an image back, and maybe it's video and you get a video back, right? So all these are generative AI, but it's not agentic in the sense that it is required to do a specific thing. It doesn't have agency over the choice to do that, right? It can't say, no, I don't want to talk back to you. No, I don't want to make you an image, right? Now, agentic AI, on the other hand, is really a layer built on top of generative AI, as well as traditional machine learning, as well as statistics, as well as the things we do in spreadsheets, right? So agentic AI is really using all of those tools, orchestrated by an AI that is using them to do different parts of the job overall, ultimately putting together the execution of a workflow that might be needed for a business. So an agentic AI is really using generative AI as one of the tools, and it's work shed, if you will, but it's using all those other tools in addition. And really, the introduction of reasoning models, which is probably the latest iteration that's come about from the foundation model providers, is what's really giving these agents now the ability to use the language model as the thinking part of the orchestration of many different tools, included generative AI, machine learning, spreadsheets, all the classic elements that we've always had in our businesses.